Alright, today we're going to cosmetically repair this iron railing, and you can see it is still pretty sturdy, so you don't need to worry about that. But we're just going to cover this up so that it looks nice and hopefully will turn out well. Now what I'm going to do is I bought this aluminum angle. It's 1 inch, so it should fit pretty snug, and I'm going to cut it. The measurement here is just measure it from here, from the base up to here, and it'll be 6 inches. I'm then going to cut this aluminum angle at 6 inches, and then we'll just go ahead and we'll use some liquid nails, put a couple of screws in it, and then we'll go ahead and paint it up, and we should be good to go. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to mark this so that we can go ahead and cut it. And then go ahead and measure that and see what the measurement is, and get a straight cut. I think it's about 5 3/4. So we'll just go ahead and measure it here. Now we're just going to use this Dremel to cut the aluminum. That wasn't quite, a little bit too tight, so we're just going to pound it so it's a little bit more snug. That looks pretty good. I bought these self-drilling screws at Lowe's. I think they're like $4. So we're going to put 2 of these self-drilling screws, one in the top and one in the bottom. And there's one. And there you have it. We'll go ahead and paint that up, and it should look really nice. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.